Do make roti. Hit the side now.
Huh?
Put this side. Make. Correct. Finish. Finished? Huh? Finish the roti. That's it. First you do finish making the roti. It is not done. See, what is this? Is this ready? See this? Like this. Then go enough done. Okay, show me your face. Smile. 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 Okay, laugh. Give a nice flying kiss. Whom are you looking at? You're looking at Amma? I see. Do good boy. Do namaste. How are you? Say January, February. No? Enough? Roti done? Done? Wipe your hands. Wipe your hands with that cloth. Clean your hand. Take photo. Done. Clean your hands. Put it properly. Okay, done? Done. Say bye-bye. Have fun. Take care. You and sweet flying fish.